Hi, welcome back to Hostbox CS channel and back to the tutorial for artificial intelligence. This is an exclusive tutorial and helpful for who are preparing UGC NET and any competitive or college level exams. Definitely it is helpful for you. And today we are going to discuss a topic called bidirectional search algorithm. With example and real time also. I'll say for understanding. If you want, you can write in the paper and pen. And the previous answer I explained about the A star algorithm and followed by AO star algorithm. You can kindly check in the playlist. Let's go for session today. So you know the bidirectional search algorithm is an example for the uninformed search algorithm. So before seeing the real example and understanding, we go for some points. We have to clarify some points here. So what is what? So what is this algorithm? It's a graph search algorithm which finds smallest path from source to goal vertex. It runs two simultaneous search, and also we can say another points: forward search from source toward goal vertex, or backward search from that form target vertex toward source vertex. I can say in the simple word also. Here we are going to do the searching with the two times. Okay, two simultaneous search going to happen here. That means what? From initial state to the intermediate some goal node and goal node to the some intermediate. In between some point is there, that we have to go and check it. We have to connect. So remember the important point: whenever the search terminates or stop, when it will the search operation will terminate or stop when two graphs intersect. And why bidirectional approach? Why we need this bidirectional approach sometime in artificial intelligence? Because in many cases it is very faster and also reduce the amount of required for exploration. And disadvantages, it take a lot of memory space. And completeness, here the search is complete if BFS is used in the both searches. And time and space complexity, if are followed by the same formula, gets order of branch factor of b power d by 2. So simple and easy. Let us go for another mode where we can understand the algorithm with the example as well as the real time. So before now this concept, let's assume that you have a friend. Let's assume that you have a friend. Let's assume that you have a friend, one more friend, where you are starting from the location A and another friend started from the location C. It's assumption for understanding purpose only. So your location A, your friend location C, both of you decide to meet. Okay, meet in the middle point called that is C. So that is B. So both of you want to meet, decide to meet in the real time. You want to meet means what? You want to meet quickly. So what happened? You can start your journey immediately. So you start from A. You decide you want to meet in the intermediate intersect location called B, and your friend also agreed to come to the location of B like that. So what happened? You are start from the journey A. You are moving towards the B, and simultaneously your friend also start to come to the B. So whenever reach the B location, both you can meet at a time. So we are saving the time. At a time you can meet your friend and go back to your places. So let's assume that you have a tree structure here where start from the initial node 0 and the goal node is 14 here. So now what will happen? Now how do you achieve or implement this bidirectional search algorithm? So let's assume that you want to finish the operation whenever meet the intermediate mode called 7. So your initial node is 0 and goal node is 14. So now we can start from the operation where the node that is 0 to 7, that is called forward search algorithm. Forward search method you already know. And at the same time simultaneously you can start another operation where we can start from the goal node to the intermediate node 7. So that is called backward search. This is called from initial to intersect node going, that is forward search, and here goal node to you are going to 7, that is called the backward search. This is the 7 is called intersection point. So whenever we reach the intersection point, the operation will be terminated. The algorithm will terminated and get the solution. Remember, whenever follow this BFS, like similar to BFS, it will be the complete solution. But whenever follow this DFS, this algorithm, it won't give the solution. There is no guarantee of getting the solution. This is the algorithm come under the category of uninformed search. So very simple and easy. Initial to intersection called, that is called forward search, and back simultaneously we are searching goal node to intersection called, that is called in the backward search. So these are the points you have to understand about this algorithm. Let's back to PPT. So I hope that you understand what is bidirectional and why we need, what is the time and complexity factor also. And if you have any queries or any doubts, you can communicate with us in any time. And please like, share, comment and subscribe. Press bell icon for more updates, and thanks for watching.